because I was flexing and I couldn't get me tight enough.
He's sucking it out.
It's all the muscle.
If we can, that's...
Woo! Alright, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be assembling and attaching this giraffe pressure washer with this 100-foot hose on it to my wall. And then at the end of the video, I will show you it working a little bit, talk to you a little bit about it. It's not really much to explain other than it's a pressure washer that connects to my wall, and it has a 100-foot hose, which I could probably reach almost everything in my yard here. I have like a half an acre, so I can reach a lot of everything I pretty much wash. I could use it with this instead of hooking up my stupid, I hate my electric pressure washer that I have to drag around the power cord, I have to drag around the hose that connects to it, then I have to drag around the hose that's on the pressure washer. I hated that. So
this is going to be awesome. I can wash my car, clean my sidewalks, clean up my recycle containers, and I don't have to worry about connecting anything up. This thing stays connected to the wall, stays plugged in, and it's always on. There is an on-off switch over here on the left side, so you can turn it off.
Continue watching, and I will try to hopefully give you a few tips to connecting this thing on your wall. If you want to check it out, I will have a link to this down in my description and in my first comment. Let's see what's in this box and see how hard this is going to be to assemble. Looks like we have a manual. We got the little bottle for, what are these things called? Foam cannons, nozzles, and the bolts. The other piece for that foam cannon, the wand piece, the hose to hook it up to your water. Say hi to everybody out there. This is Piper. Any of you guys been watching my videos? Remember when she was a puppy? She had like really, really blue eyes. I bought this with my own money. It's that. Well, that's everything that came in the box. All right, the mounting bracket they send with this, you're not going to be able to mount this on studs like that are 16 inches on center. So unless you pre-plan for this, if you're building your garage, or like my garage is drywalled, so I have a little stud finder. I took my stud finder, I made sure I had a stud here and a stud there, which I thought I did because I already have a hose reel right here, right below it, and that's mounted 16 inches on center. So I mounted this, what is that, 2x8, 2x10, this 2x8. I got like two 4.5-inch screws and two 3.5-inch screws on both sides. Maybe that's overkill, but now I can take this mounting plate and I can mount that on there solid, and it's going to be right above where my hose goes. So because I gotta run the hose from the pressure washer right down here. You can see that's where my water comes in, and I have an outlet right over here to plug it into, so it all kind of works out well right there. Let me get this mounted up and I'll move on to the next step. I recommend reading those instructions because there's different things you need to maybe know, but make sure you put your mounting plate like that, not like that, because it's got to slide on this channel. It does come with a little level to help you mount it, so you're level. It's a little bit overkill. If you're tightening these up, be careful not to strip these out. You should be able to feel them get tight. All right, that's good. Oh, there we go. That worked out perfect. That's how I want it. I can put my hose right under it. Turn it on and off on this right side. All right, I got it all plugged in. Just take that piece off the pressure washer itself and hook your gun up. It should be good. And there's a spot right here on the right hand side. You can put this gun right down in there. Store that. That's nice. That's really nice. All I gotta do is hook up this. And there's a little filter here in the one end. That's gonna go on the pressure washer itself, like that. And that on. That's gonna go to my pressure washer. There's a little hose that goes on the bottom of your foam cannon. Just push that on there like that. Put that together. And that has a nice little storage spot right here. All right, these are all my nozzles. You should have a 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, and a 40 degree. I think this pin is if you have to replace your high pressure hose. All right, I got it all put together. Let me turn the water on and turn the machine on. The on-off switch is right here on the right-hand side. Let's try it out. See if anything leaks. Hopefully nothing leaks. Got to fill that hose up. Turn my water all the way on. I don't see any leaks. That's good. Good, good, good. Let me turn this on. Whew. There we go. It should do just like that. I turned it on and it eventually, if you're not pulling the trigger, it should turn back off. So it should stay off unless I pull that trigger. So let's go try that out. Let me open my garage door. I could pull this all out, let it wind up better anyway. This piece down in here even has little ball bearings in it, it looks like, to help this when you're pulling on this on an angle. Get this hose wound up a little better.
That looks better.
And I tell you what, the wife is going to love this thing. That screen is really dirty. That is wonderful. There, my garbage can's dirty. Let's put this thing away. All right, well, if you like this pressure washer, I will have a link to one of these down in my description, and I would do my best to put one of these also in my first comment. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Hitting that subscribe button really does help me out. I'm really trying to hit like 100,000 subscribers here, hopefully in about a year, year and a half. So it'd be really nice if you're not a subscriber to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much and have a great summer. Try not to kill me. Holy crap, Spence! You're gonna cut my circulation off.
Here we go. You're getting this tangle, bro.
That's the boy.
I have to wrap it.
Come up with something good. This has got to be a good thumbnail picture because I can't stand this pressure washer.
Alright, there we go. No, Spencer, you're wrapping it too tight. You're wrapping it in the exact same spot.
Oh man.
Yes, you are.
Well, we can make that one a little looser.
Yeah, we're making it up. There's 2 cords. Could you go?
And we got the big hose has to go around me a few times too, because that's what I hate when I do. I gotta
Just stop
sit here-
trying to kill your dad, Spencer.
I gotta sit here a second, try not to kill me. Gosh, I'm gonna put Mikey down here. He always likes this stuff. Just think about that, buddy. It's not you this time, it's me. But I made it up. So, last time you were laying in a bathtub getting water dropped on you. What's that video called? You all should watch that video. It is actually quite entertaining.
Spanish video?
It only took you guys, what, 2 weeks to make it? I don't want to have to cut my arms off because I lost circulation.
Lift your leg up.
Oh yeah, you look magnificent.
You got maybe gone to your.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh my goodness.
What?
The city of nothing.
Let's see how well you can manage to undo yourself.
Wait,
because I was flexing and I couldn't get me tight enough.
You
With
suck
all
it
the-
tight with that.
with all the muscle.
If we kidnap